Sleeve looks pretty good. Let's clean up our work. This is how it's looking on the outside. So we have to clean our work up. Hello everyone, this is Alethea Ceylon Sewing, and we are cracking the whips with the top of Newlook 6453 and the Advent calendar. We are on day 15. So this is the top we're working on. We only had to do the neck edge, the sleeves, add the sleeves in and do a hem for one of them and the hem at the bottom. This is what I have done so far with the hem. I've serged it, and all I have to do is stitch it up on the machine. So we're gonna move right along to the pants. I've tried them on. I got the hem, guesstimation of the hem, but I think I'm gonna work on the elastic first before I do any cutting to the legs of the pant. So the pant, view C, I'm not using the pockets, is a 1 hour sewing time. Simplicity 9751. As you can see, it does have skirts and 2 sets of pants to choose from, and it's easy to sew. So here it asks for the notion, I believe it was a 1 inch, yes, a 1 inch elastic, and this is what I chose. And they're asking you to sew the elastic up first and then place it at the top on the right side and stitch. And stitch the elastic to fit, and then turn the elastic inside. I'm not sure I'm going to do it that way, and then you're tacking it on the sides to keep the elastic in place, because it looks like you're sewing it 5/8 of an inch, and that's going to roll. I don't know whether I'm going to do a casing first and just insert the elastic around the waist or what, but we'll see. I'm going to start with basting the elastic around the waist to see what I actually gonna do. So let's go for it. So I've actually taken the elastic and basted. You know, I like to base to make sure it goes in correctly. And I put the elastic, I basted it on the outside as instructions call for, and then you would take the elastic and fold it in the inside of the pant. And tack them down. Fold them in on the inside, tack them down on the sides. Stitch in the ditch on the sides to keep the elastic intact. So sew them, baste them, fold it in, and you tack them or stitch in the ditch on either sides of the pants. I already tried them on. They fit really well. All we have to do is sew them up. So this is my favorite time of the video, and I hope it's yours too. And we all know what that is. the Advent calendar. Let's go to the doors and see what festive ornament we got waiting for us to hang on our tree. Okay, thank you for coming. I appreciate you all for being here with me. So today we're at sewing Advent calendar for 2025 day 15. Look how many days we have left. So let's see what's in store for us to decorate our tree with today. Day 15. I have truly enjoyed this Advent calendar. Look at that, a tree. Who would have thought? Nice. Now we have to put it on our tree. So leave me a comment if you enjoyed these videos, cracking the whip. It gave me an opportunity to go back and do a lot of work that I've been looking at, and the work has been looking at me for a long time. So I thought this would be a good time to get things kind of caught up, especially the projects that I started and really wanted to finish and did not finish. This will give me some leisure time to just finish it, take my time and finish it and not be so rushed. So here we are. Let's hang it. Up here by our button. That is so nice. Here it is. The Christmas tree. On a Christmas tree. Thank you so much for coming and spending some time with me. I'll see you on day 16. Happy Vlogmas.